The 1947 Cadillac was quite the custom build here at Kandi's. It's what gave our slogan, "If you can dream it, we can build it." So let's talk about this 47 custom Cadillac. Guys, it was featured at the 28th Street Metro Cruise in Grand Rapids, Michigan when I was a guest up there. Okay, but it didn't always come out like this. There was a lot of work that needed done on this 47 Caddy. There was some work that had been previously done and it needed rework. And we got into everything from the wiring to fabrications, removing the fin off the back, custom taillights, motor swaps, custom firewalls. Oh my gosh, guys, the list went on this insane ride. I did just mention those custom taillights, right? We've done a few custom taillights and brought them out on the bodies, including really cool LEDs. All right, there was an ugly fin on this car and we did a lot of metal fabrication to get rid of it and to custom install a new gas area, guys. All right, after all that insane bodywork was done, we got it into the primer and we did a custom dash on this car too because there was quite the insane inside on it. We did our base colors and then the tricolor and all those pearls that go on top. And then we even took the glass and brought it out to be flush with the body. I did mention a motor swap, right? Beautiful 502 custom big block Chevy and all the wiring to go with the shaved handles, the lowering system on it, and even the hood was mechanical. Hey, there's that custom dash in the inside like I told you guys. We even brought the paint all the way in. The lines on this 1947 Caddy are quite extreme. Check the build out at www.kandyscustoms.com.